What up, y'all? What up, y'all? What up, y'all? Reporting live from the Ville. Shit really crazy. But it is what it is, you know. I can't blame nobody but myself. So your boy homeless right now. Slept in the car for the first time last night. I moved out my place. Ain't like I had rent money nowhere. I moved out my place because I thought my job was sending me out to another city. They were gonna pay for my hotel and shit while I worked, but got this feeling that they don't want to see me win, because the faster I win, the faster I'm gonna be done with the job. But could just be an assumption. Went and got a gym membership today so I can take showers plus work out. So plan on being there twice a day, early morning, late night. Right now I'm at the library so I can study for my cert test, which I feel like I'm about to ace this shit, because how I'm about to study now. So I'm gonna knock these out pretty fast. So I'm homeless, and I got like $200 to my name. My main bank account is overdraft by $400, $500. I'm behind on my insurance, on my CC payments. You know, but it is what it is. I ain't gonna bitch or cry about it. You know, I'm just gonna figure it out. If I'm looking back on it, if I would have done things differently, I would have kept my other job while I was training this job, and I would have put my PTO in for the whole month of May while I was training for this new job. But I didn't know that I was gonna be 3 weeks in the hole, so that really kind of messed it all up for me. So, but it is what it is. Now, you know, I'm in this predicament that I'm in now, man. I had one shorty ask me to come stay with her, but I ain't moving in with no girl. I mean, so she can have that power to not be done went through the same shit I just went through, you know. So I'm just gonna ape it out until I can get my own crib, and then the main important thing right now is to get these certs so I can apply get the job that I want, and then get my credit right so I can buy my complex to get the residual incomes coming in. Still waiting on the VA, so right now we just gonna thug it out, man. Do what we gotta do, save money. I'm finna start smoking after today. So yeah, man, like this is it. Starting from the bottom, man. But we got a lot of play. Like we got motion, but it's just like it's gonna take a little. We gotta wait for this thing to marinate. You know what I mean? So I ain't mad, you know. And like I ain't never been homeless before. So it is what it is. That's not. I mean, my boss offered to pay for my hotel, but it's just energy not there. So I'm gonna just ape it out, man, and I'm making $200 a day minimum, so that's what it is. But I'm about to get really focused so I can up that to $300-400 a day, so I can really run the bag up, you know. So we're gonna definitely get to this money. Rolling up right now. I gotta go wash clothes. So I gotta go wash my uniform and shit after I study. So I'm gonna study for like 3 hours. And then hopefully be ready to take my test by Wednesday. And so I go ahead and knock that shit up. Once I get that first cert, really I'm gonna be able to apply for. I'm gonna start working on my LinkedIn. And if you can't hear me, my mic fucked up. But I'm gonna start working on my LinkedIn. Start telling my school, like, yo, I'm just looking for a job. Start applying for USAA jobs while I get the rest of these certifications. And I'm gonna also start playing with my computer. You know. So got a lot of work to do. I decided to finally start this YouTube shit. I've been recording videos, but I felt like I'm really about to really lock in because it's a whole, whole stream of income. Plus with the situation I'm in now, I really get up out this jam. It's really gonna show people like, one, who I really am, and two, it's no matter where you at in life, it's all about where you're going. And I know where I'm going. I know what I want to do. I got a vision, and that's what I'm on. So I believe in myself. Yeah, I probably could have asked my baby mom. I probably could have went to stay with my mom. Yeah, I could have went to stay with Shorty. Yeah, I could have hit one of the guys up. Yeah, I could have, but I don't want no handouts. I feel like Effie, I want to find my own way. I want to experience this so I know what I never want to come back to. I've been sleeping on the air mattress for the last 6 months. If I gotta spend 1 month in the car, so fucking what? So what? If people sleeping outside, So I ain't tripping. I'm grateful. Once I saw that gym, I was like, oh, it's up. Cause now I can take a shower, I can be clean, I just wash my clothes, and I can eat fruit every day, flush my system out, get my water in, eat good. Yeah, I gotta sleep in the car, but shit, I ain't gonna be sitting in the house and be studying. I'm be sitting in the car and be out studying and shit, getting these certifications, working on my business plan, working on my stock plans and shit like that. So, and working on content. So, only thing is I miss Z. I can't wait for her to come home, but your daddy homeless right now. So hopefully one day you will see this and you will see that, I really got it out the mud for wherever we about to go. I ain't back down from the challenge, So right now I'm at the library out in the Ville, and I'm out there. Smoke this blunt, go back in there, and go inside there, knock out my studies, and then go buy some shower shoes and a towel, go to the gym and stretch. Like an hour, and it's a 24-hour gym, so it's really clutch. So, and I'm gonna take y'all through all the money and all that shit, man, like how I ended up in this situation. But I am optimistic about what comes next, for sure. I'm not afraid. I'm not down about it. I've never been the type to let my circumstances, my external environment dictate my internal worth. I still feel like I'm that nigga. I still feel like, I got a lot I can bring worth to any table I sit at. I still feel that way. And they ain't gonna stop just because I'm homeless. That ain't gonna stop just because I'm homeless. Like, so fucking what? And what made me really want to do this, cause I was hearing so many people talk about it, like, how they was homeless and all that stuff. I'm like, shit. Maybe I need this to bring that dog up out me, Maybe I need this to take my shit to the next level, So, I ain't tripping. It is what it is. Might smoke this blunt, go in here and knock out these studies, because if I can get this cert by this week, life gonna change real fast, man. And then this whole ass shit they doing at this job, irrelevant to me because I have so many different options. Okay, I'm just gonna bust my ass, work, make my 400 a day, and then get the fuck up out of their face. Lighter. I do want to say that to any of my men out there, this is what happened when you don't plan, you don't strategize for longevity, and you so focused on the now, you feel focused on winning. Old head said, old head Memphis, like, you know, it's all about the numbers. Man. The numbers ain't been adding up for me personally. I feel that. Lighter, man. Hey, you got a lighter? But I'm gonna bring y'all. I just wanna hop up and make a video, man. I'm gonna bring y'all more into this shit, man. Let y'all know the ins and outs of the game, man. Everything that's going on with me, man. And I'm gonna just take y'all on this journey, man. I got so much content I ain't even put out yet. But I know this one kind of dark, so we're gonna see what to do, man.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie to you. Them is right there. That's just smoke. You might you come back there, you might not see, I might not come from. I ain't gonna lie to you. DJ, my name too. Rock. Yeah.
here do this schoolwork, man.